How to make 3D Shopify store. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a 3D Shopify store. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Shopify, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Shopify, it is a comprehensive e-commerce platform that enables individuals and businesses to create and manage their online stores, in which the platform offers a wide range of features, including customizable online storefronts, payment processing, marketing tools, and shipping solutions, all designed to simplify the e-commerce experience for users. And also the platform is designed for flexibility, catering to a diverse range of businesses, from small startups to established brands. And Shopify also provides tools for social selling, making it easier for entrepreneurs to reach customers through various channels including mobile apps with its user-friendly interface. And now to create an account on Shopify, just click the link on the description where you could also click the Start Free Trial button on the top right corner. Then you will be directed in here after signing in, and it will show you on the website panel some of the options that we can start navigating with here: home, orders, products, customers, content, analytics, marketing, and many more. And if you want to visit your store in order to see what it looks like, just click this icon right here. Then you will be directed on the next tab, in which it will show you what it looks like. And as you can see here, it is only a simple online store in here and has no 3D effects or 3D products in here. And now to start customizing or adding a 3D on our online store, just click this online store button on the left side panel, and upon clicking on it, you'll be able to see here the themes. And from here, all you need to do is simply choose or click this icon, the three dots in here, under this tier. Then proceed by clicking this edit code button, and upon clicking this one, we'll automatically be directed on this page, and it will show us on the website panel some of the options. So just close all of these folders and proceed by clicking the sections folders in here. And just proceed by clicking add a new section. And then on this pop-up window, just choose this liquid and enter the file name. For example, I'm going to enter here video background. Then proceed by clicking that button below here to proceed creating this custom section. And by clicking then, you'll be able to see here all of the result. So all you need to do from here is simply select all of this code and just simply delete this one, since the code that we're going to use can be found on Google. So to search for a specific code that we're going to use, just go to Google and kindly enter here on the search bar Mr. Dexter 1 GitHub. So basically Mr. Dexter 1 is the one who created the code in order for us to have a 3D design. So upon searching it on Google, below here it will show us the result. So can I click the first link that come up? Upon clicking this one, we'll automatically be directed on this page. And below, just click this video background.liquid. Then now you'll now be able to see here all of the code that we can simply copy in here. And as you can see on the top right corner, you'll have the option to click this copy file. Or alternatively, we could also select all of this from this one until to this very bottom, which is 442 row. And upon selecting it, just simply Ctrl-C or copy the code, then go back on this page and paste it in here. Now after pasting this one, we can now proceed by clicking the save button on the top right corner to proceed. And as you can see, we've now successfully saved the code. And now to add or to check if this code has been updated or applied, just go back or exit this part. Then click under these themes or online stores in here. Kindly proceed by clicking the customize button in order to start customizing or checking our online store in here. And now on this page, on the left side panel, it will show you under this home page that we can simply go to our template and click this add section. And on the section right here, just scroll down until you find this video background. By clicking this one, you'll be able to see here that we have no image or video in here included. So basically at this point, we can simply add here or upload a video from our computer files, but we cannot upload a video or link a YouTube video in here. But to start adding a content in here, just click the exit button on the top left corner and leave this page. And on the left side panel line here, kindly click the content option. Then proceed by clicking this files option button below. And it will show you in here that you can start uploading files on the top right corner button. So kindly simply upload from your computer files a video that you want to upload that will serve as our background of our online store, and that makes our online store 3D model or to have a 3D effect. But as you can see in here, since I'm currently using a free account or free trial, I am not be able to upload a video in here or files. But if you're using an upgrade account on Shopify, you can simply upload here files from your computer. And if you also want to upload a video from YouTube, you can simply download a video from YouTube using a YouTube video downloader that you can find on the net and upload it in here. And after that, it will show you that the video has now been set as the background of your online store, in which it will give you a 3D effect of your online store. Now moving on, aside from video background, you could also add here a 3D product. And in order to do that, kindly proceed by going back on this page and kindly click the products option on the left side panel. And upon clicking this one, just click this add product button on the top right corner to proceed. And upon clicking on it, you'll be able to see here all of the information that you need to fill out, including the title, description, and as you can see under this media, you can upload here photos, videos, or 3D models. So basically, we can simply upload a 3D photo in here or models. And in choosing an image, you could also go to the search bar of Google and kindly enter these 3D models. And the file type is either this OBJ or USDZ. And below, you'll be able to see all of the results that you can get a 3D models photo for free. But most of them are not free. So you should also pay for those kind of 3D models in order to add to your online store. For example, this Turbo Squid, it will show you here a variety of 3D models that you can choose from. You could also use on the search bar if you're looking for a specific kind of 3D models. However, some of these platforms only provide limited 3D models. So as you can see, there is the result for the handbag of 3D models. But you would also use on the top panel their category in order to choose which product do you want to sell or the product that you're looking for in here. We have here categories of airplane, anatomy, architecture, character, furnishings, and many more. So you can simply choose to any kind of this category and upload it to your online store as a product. Use other website, which is this free3d.com, which also offer some free 3D. However, most of them are also need to pay in order to avail the premium 3D models. Such as, for example, this T strainer. By clicking this one, it will automatically show us the image or what it looks like upon using it on 3D. We could also set this to full screen in order to see the close-up view of it. So from here, if you want to purchase the 3D model of it, you can simply click this add to cart and simply purchasing on this amount. Or you could also use some other categories on the top panel, for example, this electronics. By clicking this electronics option in here, you'll be able to see all of the result of premium 3D models. And below, let's say we're going to choose this LED light. By clicking this one amounting to $7, it will show us in here what it looks like or its picture on side to side. And by clicking this add to cart, we can simply purchase this or a 3D models of it that we will be able to upload on this Shopify as a product in our online store. And after that, you'd also enter some other details in here, like this one that contain this pricing, the number of inventory available, and any other required information upon uploading or adding a product to your online store. But basically, upon uploading a video background to your online store and also uploading or adding a product 3D models, it will help you to have a 3D online store in Shopify. So overall, that is just basically how you can make 3D Shopify store. Thank you.